Hello YouTube modelers, welcome back to my channel. I want to thank all my viewers and subscribers. So I want to just share something with everyone, one of my viewers today. I received a package within the last couple of days. I have a feeling I know what it is, but just to share the surprise with everyone, I'm going to open it live with you guys. Well, not really live, but recorded. So let's see if we can open this. Oh, it's always great to get packages through the mail. Okay, so I was able to open it. So what's inside the box? Ready? Oh my God, it's the Aurora box art. Maserati. Oh, this is awesome. Okay, so this comes from my buddy David Parker. He's been a long-time subscriber and viewer, and he comments frequently on my videos. But we had a discussion ever since I was building the Aurora Aston Martin DB4, because we were talking about all those Aurora kits that were bought by Monogram, I think in 1978, and then eventually they got reboxed, as I showed you guys, as Revell Monogram. So this is something, especially since it's the original Aurora box, 1964. Wow, this box is in really good condition. Thanks a lot, David. This is really, really excellent. So let's take a look at it. Yep, the same type instruction manual, the booklets, the staples in it. Thank you, Dave. Well, it seems like all the parts are in there. So, this should be a very fun kit to build. Look, I think these look like the carbs. Body looks nice. So anyway, I don't want to get too much into it because I'll do a separate unboxing. But it looks like someone inventoried it. Although the parts are off the tree, but it seems like someone has already even written down the step numbers and what they are. So hopefully everything will be in there. I'm almost sure it is, but just that the box art is, oof, this is something. I actually still kept the Aurora box for my Aston Martin DB4. Usually I don't save boxes, but there are occasionally a few boxes that I either like or if they're vintage. I only wish I knew that a long time ago. When I was much younger, I used to throw out the parts and my boxes. But anyway, so thanks a lot, Dave. I'm really, really thankful. I know we've had discussions about these Aurora models that were bought by Monogram, the Aston Martin DB4, this Maserati, I think a Ferrari, and the Jaguar XKE. I think they also release the car models with World War II Warbird decals, and I guess just their way of just reboxing and reissuing the models. But anyway, thanks a lot, Dave. He's almost become my channel Patreon because he sent me the Vandal kit as well. So always thankful for people who send me kits, not only because of these out of production or these kits that are highly valuable, but also that someone thought of me and also went through the trouble of sending me the kit, whether, boxing it, just even walking to the post office. We all know that feeling of boxing and sending people items. It takes time. So always thankful when people send me kits. And so thanks again, Dave, for the Aurora kit, especially since it's the original Aurora box. I mean, wow, this is something. Don't know whether I'll get a chance to build it this year because there are a lot of group builds, but I'll definitely put it on the queue along with the Vandal, maybe starting next year. So thanks again, David. So next I want to do a shop card shout out to Edgar Allan Cole, also known as the Black Poe. You can catch him at One Team Garage. Looks like a Mustang 500 GT, a Buick Grand National or GTX, can't tell. I think it has, nope, I think it's a GTX. It's got those interlaced wheels. I also built one too of the GNX. And the BMW, I don't know what series, whether it's 5 series, 3 series, I don't know. But anyway, go check him out. He has a vast array of models that he builds, from classic cars to Japanese shop van racers. I think they call Daishbans. And of course lowriders as well. So go check him out if you haven't done so already. I will have his channel in the description. A link to his channel in my description. So go check out Edgar, and again, thanks a lot, Dave, for the kit, and to everyone who has sent in kits to me. And I am very, very thankful anytime someone sends a kit to me, because the fact that, you know, you took the time out to think of me, and also just the effort that goes into sending people things. So that's it for now. The update, I should have an update soon, because I am trying to finish up my City Chevrolet and then jump on the buddy build I have with Kurt with the dud. It's just that for some reason I'm kind of in a slump and I need to hurry up and clear my bench before I can concentrate on the 105. But once I start the 105, it should be pretty fast. So I want to thank Kurt also for being patient. So that's it for now. Thanks a lot, guys.